Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Edge Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Edge application on your device, and if you haven't logged in or signed up already, you will be taken into the home page from which you will see the Create Account as well as the Sign In button. You can tap on the Sign In button to proceed with your existing account, and you will be taken into the login page, where you will be asked to enter your username and your password. Go ahead and enter your username followed by your account password within the given box, and then click on the login button, and now you will successfully be logged in to your account on the Edge application after a little while, and you will directly end up within your home page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Edge Wallet application. If you wish to log out, simply tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on Log Out. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.